Good morning, everybody. My name is Barry Schwartz, and this is the Search Buzz video recap. Today is Friday, August 4th, and this is the search news we covered over at the Search Engine Roundtable at sdroundtable.com. Lots to discuss. Seems to be a Google algorithm update rolling out right now as of yesterday, this morning. A lot to discuss around Google Search, generative experience with links, videos, and so much more. Google Search Console, AI and business descriptions and so forth. Bing ads being deceptive. Bing chat rolling out on Chrome and Firefox. This is so much, and I covered so much this morning, actually. A lot to go on, so definitely watch this video. It's breaking news, and thanks so much for watching and subscribing and liking the video. Of course, I'd like to thank our sponsor, Bruce Clay. Thank you, Bruce, so much for sponsoring. Bruce Clay is one of the founding fathers of the SEO space, doing search marketing since 1996. Bruce Clay is big into SEO training. Check him out at seotraining.com, and also learn more about Bruce Clay at bruceclay.com as well. Okay, breaking news this morning. I'm recording this actually before it goes live. I posted about how the Google search ranking algorithm update. I haven't reported about one in 9 days, which is a long time based on the past few months. But it seems like we have another Google search ranking algorithm update going on. It's unconfirmed. A lot of chatter heated up over the past 24 hours. Some of the tools have actually picked it up already, including Rank Ranger, SEMrush, SERP Metrics, Alguru, this new one called Wincher, and also SERPstat. So there definitely seems to be something brewing as of the past 24 hours. So if you do notice a lot of fluctuations with your website, you're definitely not alone. Again, Google has not confirmed an update in a long, long time, so stay tuned. Also, big news this week that Google Search Generative Experience, the new AI version of Google Search, is testing links in various formats directly in the AI-generated answers, which is great. People are really happy about this. They have 3 different formats for it. Shalom Goodman, Dr. Pete, Brendan O'Connell, Mike Futa, they all found different ones. One with links as citations, one with drop-down buttons, one with quotation marks. So it's cool to see links getting added in there. It seems like the pressure from the SEO community on that has definitely helped. So keep it up. Google Generative Search Experience as well has launched AI answers with videos. They had images, they had other things in there as well, but now videos are starting to roll out, which is very, very cool. So you can now see videos embedded directly in the answers. They're not AI-generated videos. They're videos from the web that are shown in the actual AI-generated answer. Could be from YouTube, could be from other places, so that's pretty cool as well. Also, it seems like Google Search Generative Experience is showing from Google cards. This was spotted by Glenn Gabe, who posted some screenshots of this. This new card basically says this information was generated from Google as a source, probably from like Google Business Profiles, Merchant Center, and so forth. Other screenshots were spotted by Nicholas McDonald, who spotted this as well, which is pretty cool, which is actually showing more brand and store information probably from Merchant Center. So that's pretty cool. Also, Google Search Generative Experience has been clarified that it might not always show those cards, those 3 cards at the top right or on the bottom in the mobile version. Google's Danny Sullivan said it might not show that information if and when Google decides, hey, we're showing a creative answer that we make up from scratch. So if Google makes up the answer from scratch, completely original, Google's not going to show those cards, and that's how it works. Google Search Generative Console does not seem to be reporting on the Search Generative Experience answer box. So Glenn Gabe noticed that, like, he did a bunch of tracking, and he said in Google Search Console, this site should be showing a mix between position 8, which is the actual core search results, and because of the Search Generative Experience AI answers showing the link in the top box, that should be position 1. So it should show a combination of 1 and 8 and do the average of that. That's how Google Search Console performance reporting works, but it's not. So Google Search Console, even though there is tracking parameters and all this stuff is being tracked by Google, Google Search Console does not seem to be reporting on the Search Generative Experience ranking for the performance report. So it's pretty interesting to see that. And finally, with the Google Search Generative Experience, we are seeing new ad placements. Jeannie Hill is actually noticing that they're placing these ads at the top of the answers. This was spotted by Jeannie as well. I saw Andy Simpson also noticed this as well. So here's some screenshots of that as well. Danny Sullivan, the Google Search Liaison, posted saying that, let me quote him exactly, content with the primary purpose of tapping into popular searches is probably not really people first and wouldn't be recommended for long-term success. Basically, if you're going to Google Trends or other popular search terms and saying, what should I write about today? And you look at these search terms, oh, that looks like an interesting topic. I'm gonna go ahead and write about it. Chances are you're probably not an expert or could be very helpful in that field, and writing content just on trending stuff is not good. If you write about that topic already, so if I see Google algorithm updates trending and I write about it, probably I'm an expert. But if you're writing just stuff about stuff just because it's trending, it's probably not gonna be helpful. That's his point. Of course, it caused a huge debate in the SEO community, but he kind of has a point there. So I also posted about the Google Webmaster report. Every month I do a Webmaster report talking about the most important and most significant changes over the past month. So definitely check out the August 2023 Google Webmaster report. Google has revised the site name questions and resource thread. John Mueller did a whole new thread updating the whole entire thread around that stuff. So definitely take a look at that because site names have changed over the past couple of weeks, and he did an update on that resource thread. Google Ads has a new trademark policy, which we discussed a month or so ago, and that trademark policy now requires changes to how Google processes trademark complaints. Google said it would be faster, but a lot of advertisers are saying now that it's actually rolled out, it's a lot slower. So PPC Greg was not happy with that, as well as Melissa Mackey. So keep that in mind. Ad Liaison actually responded saying it actually is faster, but let them debate that. Google is testing a new local search ad format. This was spotted first by Anthony Higman, and then Mike Blumenfeld also noticed this. We're not sure. It might be like home service ads, according to Glenn Gay, but I'm not exactly sure what these are. Here's some screenshots of that. If you haven't seen that, here you go. Google Business Profiles is testing showing generative AI, or using generative AI to help businesses write business descriptions. This is pretty cool. I don't see this myself yet. It seems to be rolling out slowly, but this was spotted by Will Scott, who showed these screenshots of this actually happening in action, which is pretty cool. There's a lot of help documentation on that. If you haven't seen this, definitely check it out. It's pretty cool to help businesses write their own business descriptions. Google Business Profiles is testing adding a view as customer link. So if you look at your business profile, you can see how a customer sees this. This was spotted by Ben Fisher. Nice catch there. Google has released a new Google Business Profiles overview page, which goes through the different policies of Google Business Profiles, and a new overview page to make it a little bit easier for you to find all the policies. Bing has been testing really deceptive looking search ads. It took me several, maybe maybe a minute, maybe a little less, maybe 60 seconds, 50, I don't know how many seconds, but everybody asked, it took them at least 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 seconds to find the ad label on these ads. This is spotted by Frank Zantman. Very, very interesting to see this. I don't know how long it will take you to see the ads, but you might want to go ahead and tell me in the comments below. How long did it take you to find the ad label in these ads? Bing Chat finally, as of this morning, breaking news, works in Chrome and Firefox. Not just Edge, it works in other browsers. So not just Microsoft Edge, but it's actually working in other browsers. I see it in Chrome. Frank Sandman, who told me about this, noticed it in Firefox. Pretty cool. We knew this was launching for a while, but it seems to be rolling out finally. Do you see it? Let me know. And finally, Bing Chat's new infrastructure update is taking longer than expected. About a week or so ago, Mikkel from Microsoft, the Bing's CEO, basically said it's about 30% rolled out. It's probably closer now. It might be fully live soon. No search and other features are coming with that, like plugins. So it should be rolling out very soon. It's probably close, so definitely keep an eye on that because Bing Chat is improving very, very quickly. In any event, thanks so much for listening to the Search Buzz Review Recap. Sorry for going really, really fast, but I'm in like a breaking news mode and I go fast with that. In any event, again, thanks to Bruce Clay for sponsoring. Check them out at bruceclay.com and SEOtraining.com. Everyone have a healthy, safe, and happy weekend. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next. Goodbye.